we know you from Dubai, and and thank you so much for patting the back of your friend Adrian and his son. The father and duo, father and son duo are doing have done very well and continuing to do well. Yeah. So anything you have to say, Adrian, about the father and duo, father and son duo, where
Yeah.
yeah.
Firstly, I want to say a big thank to God. I'm grateful to God. I remain grateful to God because this particular blessing, what I have got to continue my music, which He has done totally, He is one step ahead of me. I'm one step behind Him because He plays so many instruments. Because I did not get an opportunity exposure as much as him, because he is with me from childhood uh, as a tutor from home. I had no, my father was not a musician, so he has got a lot of backing, and I remain grateful to God for this blessing. And all our friends like Thomas, you, and even KCO, I remain grateful to KCO because they gave a platform to Alston to travel first time to Abu Dhabi, and now he has gone several times. Even Ankit Tiwari, he has been there. So I thank Thomas and all other viewers who are here for their support, encouragement, and I wish them good health to support all the musicians, all the singers who are further coming and who have been left over.
Adrian, you have composed the music and played keyboards,
Yeah,
accordion, trumpet, and harmonica in Konkani, Hindi, and Bengali recordings
yes,
albums in Kuwait.
yeah.
Can you tell us about these these composing of music for all
Yes.
these various languages and albums?
Yeah, the reason is I had, by the grace of God, as you know, I told you we cannot get this one, what is that, artist from India. So, a lot of playback singers who came to Kuwait, especially like Dr. P. Sushila, who's like Lata Mangeshkar, a great, I had, when I was in Mangalore, child, I had listened in Mangalore station, P. Sushila, and I'm grateful to God. In 2001, I played for her. So such artists and other many about 10, 15 playback singers who came to Kuwait, I led the orchestra and prepared the music. This music was seen by a lot of people here, and then these singers who were a part of this music program, they had asked me to make recordings in Kuwait for Malayalam, for Tamil or Telugu or other languages, because they saw the music what I did was exactly like a record. Same way I have released first, second, third volume Konkani, and fourth volume, 5 volumes I have my CDs. Fourth volume is Goan instrumental Konkani, fifth is Hindi. So my music, what I have done is exactly resembling the original, and Alston also has played for the fourth and fifth volume.
Yeah.
So that's how I've been able to get different language recordings here. Most of
Yeah.
them are members of the association who were involved in the particular thing.
You have released four Konkani instrumental audio cassettes and CDs, a
Yes.
tribute to the Konkani composers 1, 2, 3, 4, and released Hindi instrumental CD, a tribute to the Bollywood composers,
Yeah.
Volume 5. So tell us about this more.
Yeah, actually, what has happened is, as I told you, I had played for several artists like Wilfie remembers, Henry D'Souza, Melvin Paris, and so I have got original. I have made the songs. So I thought, why not I go to the studio and record? Because a lot of people told me these instrumentals will be useful for playing as a background somewhere here, there, and so I started with volume one in 2001, and then this was liked by others. Then I went in 2002, another volume, volume 2. Then slowly I came to volume 3, and then there were a few artists who told me, you put my song, put my song. Then I had to put, and then later 2014, I think I did the Go one, because I remain grateful to KCU also, because KCO gave me 2012, 13, 14, continuously 3 years with the Nefi Rod, who was a Goan singer. Even she has done Mangalorean. So there were plenty of songs of Chris Perry and Lorna. So I thought as well, why not make one go one instrumental? So I went to, everything was recorded in Kerala. Kerala, that is Ernakulam, Cochin. It's a film studio, Rian by name. So I recorded there. I had to carry my things and things like that. But for the volume 5 Hindi instrumental, it became much more easier because my son already, he was an expert in recording and mixing and this. Now he does himself, as you have seen his videos. He does a lot of videos. He does mixing by himself. So it was very much easy for me to do things. So that's how I made 32 songs in the volume 5. In that also, I have got a lot of songs included from the KCO program. And as I told you, I did a lot of tracks for a lot of people here in Kuwait. That's how a lot of pain is involved in this, but I was very happy at the end because the end product was very good.
Right.
So thanks to all the people who appreciated and patted me and gave me all the stages.
Adrian, you
Yes,
have led the orchestra and performed for several languages and with
yes,
playback singers like Dr. P. Sushila, you said, Mano,
yes,
Anuradha Sriram,
yes,
Srinivasan, Vasundhara Das, Biju Narayan, and
yeah,
music director Deva Harini Unni Menon, Mini Mini KJ, Marco Sicily, and several other visiting Kuwait. You have
yes,
organized shows, conducted orchestra, and played keyboards, accordion, trumpet for Konkani Nights of
yeah,
late Wilfie Rebembers, Henry
yeah,
D'Souza, Melvin Perez, Claude D'Souza, and Wilson Oliveira in Kuwait without any of their own original musicians. You
yes,
told already. You have
yes.
also conducted the orchestra and played accordion, trumpet, and keyboards for several musical shows in Abu Dhabi, Dubai, and Bahrain and Qatar, along with different Konkani artists. Can you share your memory of all these to our viewers?
I am very grateful to God for this, first and foremost. As I told you, this all musicians from India cannot get visas. That's why I was able to get a chance from different associations getting playback singers. Actually, our Konkani people may not be knowing about much about this Malayalam, Tamil playback singers. But they are very famous, like P. Sushila, Anuradha Sriram, all this Mano. Mano is like S.P. Balasubramanian. This is very famous. They are almost the same songs they do. So I'm very happy. And what I learned from these people is the greatest among these are Dr. P. Sushila. I played for one small artist who was introduced by A.R. Rahman. But having known a song or sung a song for A.R. Rahman, they think great. But this lady who was around 75 or 70 when I played with her in 2001, she was so very simple and down to earth that I really cannot imagine. This I learned a lot of lessons. Likewise, I learned lesson from our Wilfie Rebembers, who late Wilfie Rebembers. He was a great guy and very simple as compared to any other artist. Today's world, as you can see, some of them release one or two cassettes and they become a little popular and they have something in mind. But this guy was such a simple person and very humble person. Where I remain grateful to the Rebembers family and also to God for giving me an opportunity to take Wilfie Rebembers to Kuwait without a single musician of his own. I think that's one of his lifetime. He came only without musicians because normally he doesn't go. Because I promised him I will give him record quality music. Only my bad luck was that time my son was only, I think, how many years? No, yeah, 3 years of 3 years old, Alston. Otherwise, it would be nice to have him play. But
Okay.
2016, my dream was, I mean, accomplished. He played for Wilfie Knight in 2016. Sorry that Wilfie Rebembers was not living, but his family came and he played so many instruments for that night. I am very happy to play so many stages. Nowadays, it is, if we are in India, we don't get a chance to play for playback singers because they have their own orchestra. they don't give chance to other musicians and things like that. So
Yeah.
it's even once SP Balasubramaniam, I had a chance to play with him, but he did not agree to play with Kuwait musicians. He said, I need to bring from there. That's why, since he was insisting, then they said, okay, let him bring, and they brought it. Otherwise, I had a chance to play with him also. But anyway, God is great. I'm grateful to God for all opportunities what I have got.
What is your message to people amidst living with Corona? And what is your call to the viewers to support News Karnataka, and why? Adrian, please
Yeah,
unmute.
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, yeah.
yeah, yeah.
Pertaining to your question, living with Corona, I will deal only with my field, that is music.
Yes.
I would request and suggest to all, advise all the parents, whoever whose children are playing music or studying music. Due to Corona, now we have a lot of time to devote because we don't go out. We have online classes. Let the children do more of music and practice more. Practice makes a musician perfect. Likewise, I don't say only music. Someone else may be having some other talent of drawing or handicraft or anything. Now there is plenty of time to concentrate and redo things. If you have not done something well, a drawing or a music piece, you can practice a lot. So a lot of people have gained from Corona, a lot of people have lost. So let us not make this time waste, go waste. We will try to use this time and do it. And at the same time, I would request and suggest and advise that all of us, mostly Kannadigas and non-Kannadigas also, follow this, subscribe this channel so that a lot of information is got. Also, we get to know a lot of people and you showcase your talent, maybe a lot of things. So we support our people. Thank you
Yeah.
for
Thanks.
this opportunity.